So we have a trail there left. We have a trail right. Where you should think we're going? There. Where doesn't have a trail. This is what Irina loves. It's so nice here. I'm sure we can meet probably here snake, bear, what sit on tree. Yeah, Tiffany? Wow, and it's so quiet and it's so nice tree here. A beautiful thing. Tiffany, Tiffany, say hi. Hello. Wow, so nice here, yeah? Oh gosh. Wow. And here no people, wow. I wanna go there. You have a sport shoes? Yeah, good. So I need to dress with sport shoes in the park. Yeah. Oops. I love those trees, yeah? They're actually very expensive. But they grow very huge, so I need a huge yard. You see, she's breathed better. Remember how she breathed like even before, yeah? When we feed her those kibble, yeah? Even in Illinois it was colder, yeah? But they have a video, old video, where I make one in Illinois in different state, how she breathes. It's just crazy, it's not possible. Even I put the music and still, it's spider web. Ouch! Oh my gosh, I know, Tiffany. Need to come with machete. Machete, yeah? Hmm?
Yeah, machete.
Machete. I remember how we was like in a park, like, Tiffany, don't sniff it. We was in a park and we don't take it. I mean, in Florida, you always needed spray from the bug. We go and we've been eaten by the mosquito, gosh. Oh. Like they don't have any. Tiffany, don't sniff anything, please. Okay. Wow, it's very long trail. My hands hurt a little. Oh wow, look at. See how far? Super. Very nice weather.
Yes, perfect.
And it's shadow here.
Yeah.
Oh, look, it's. Oh, wow! Look at here. It's definitely an alligator live here.
Probably.
Oh gosh! I'm a little bit afraid now. Oh my god, it's noise there.
Yeah, the lake's up ahead.
Oh my god, look, it's all? I think we're stuck there.
Well, it turns.
Yeah, we cannot go in here. Oh my god, what's there? It's not alligator sleep there.
I don't know. Could be.
Oh man. I was... no, seriously, what's there? You see there? Oh shit, let's go.
Well, no, let's keep going this way.
This is alligator, look at.
What?
Look at in the phone, it's alligator. Look at here. Did you see it? What's this?
I don't know.
It's a, look at on the phone, it's alligator.
Yeah, it could be.
Huh?
It could be.
Maybe we go back?
No, we keep going this way.
Why?
Because we want to see the lake.
What do you want to see? They don't attack us?
No.
Oh man, they're here now. Maybe they're finished road here.
No.
Or maybe we could not go here.
No.
Oh, what's there blue? Oh my god, where we are?
It's the lake.
It's the lake?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Look at how beautiful here. Wow.
Come up here.
Wow, I hear the noise of the lake. Oh wow, it's so good. What's this?
Something old.
Huh.
There's another one down there.
What? Huh. Pressure treated wood? Concrete. Again, spider web. Tiffany, where is our boat? What, did somebody put the garbage can here or what?
Apparently.
Why did they do this?
Well, it's probably so people can throw their garbage away and then they come by and pick it up.
Looks like this is pocket, not a feeder. Oh wow! There are two. Oh, it's so nice here. And sand. Ouch! It's possible swim here.
Well, I don't know about here.
Look at on these birds. Oh my god. Look at you. Hello, birdsy here. Uh-oh, people find us. Tiffany, look at you, like it there. Did you like it here? Tiffany! Tiffany! What's there? It's cold here. Need to go fast because it's cold. Wow. It's my favorite, you know, when like this pot. Pot? How?
Trees.
No, how this road's called? Pot?
Path, yeah.
Path?
Yeah.
Huh?
Path.
Path?
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Path. Anyway, I love this path. Oh, super. Oh, how beautiful. Oh my god. Look at this palm. It's like a palm, yeah?
Yeah, it is a palm.
Oh god.
It's the ones that you like.
Uh-huh. Yeah. They're like katanas, you know, those are the oh, amazing. Lizards. How you this one how huge? Wow. Yeah, I don't want to go around the lake.
I mean, obviously there's houses on the other side.
I mean, if to go around the lake, you need to take it like a, how is it? Like for camping, when you can sleep there. Tent, yeah.
Bag.
Yeah, sleeping bag, some food. But actually, I very want it. Actually, I love to do this. We never did this. Look how beautiful leaves. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Looks like here even doesn't have a... Oh. But we don't lost after. Tiffany, you help us find the road. Good what you hunting dog, Tiffany. I mean, it's a joke because she's not hunting, but she's not very fluffy, and everybody say what they have a two type of the golden. One, it's the fluffiest, they're like a show dog more, and another like a hunting dog. But of course she's not hunting. She most of the eat veggie. Yeah, папочка. Uh-oh. Looks like it's the end of the...
End of the trail.
Yeah, I mean... Or no.
Or no.
Or yes.
Maybe for us.
Definitely machete.
I mean,
Now we can go there, yeah, but... It's not very buggy. What's the red there? Something gonna do. But it definitely could be... I mean, we can go, but we need to dress as different shoes, you know, like what I have at home for yard.
Mm-hmm.
Those tall ones. Because here could be snakes. Whoop! Oh, look, it's here. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Well, this is hiking. Yeah, Pop. It's very quiet here.
Yep.
Wow. Wow, I love it. Another garbage. No,
Nice view over there.
Huh?
Nice view.
Mm-hmm.
The
Yeah.
sun coming in.
Oh, yeah, it's a very, very nice view. Wow. Look at. I like it all, like, you know, that they touch each other, those three. It's so quiet. Interesting. They leave some fish here. Wow. So calm, yeah, so nice, so quiet, right?
Yeah. Very quiet.
Yeah. So this is where people probably come with the boats, yeah? Because it's very close, yeah. No, I mean like what people who in our neighborhood have a boat.
Yeah.
Because like looks like it's closest. I mean, if I have a boat, it's probably where I am came. But we don't have a boat. Not boat, not kayak. It lives long. Even car we have a one. Very old one. Ouch! Look at this like bike here. Oh, my legs. I stretch my legs. I think here is definitely like a... I mean, it's possible to walk there. I'm not sure what I want to do.
Yeah.
Probably need to dress as something different. Yeah?